Alright, well, my door handle, as you can see, crapped the bed. And let's do this. Every video that I looked up online shows removing the whole door panel. And I'm like, no, they don't design doors like this, especially if that part is replaceable. So here's what I did. Excuse the, but you got to pull your handle off, and then you pop these clips and you have access to this and the mechanism in here. Now mine broke, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to super glue it, because that's what I've got. It's a temporary fix. I'm going to run this car till it dies, so this is what I'm going to do. But anyway, even if you have to replace this piece right here, you have no need to pull the whole door panel off. You compromise the integrity of the door for wind, water, snow, sleet. I live in the south, so I don't worry about snow. But yeah, so I'll be back. Alright, well, I'm back, and I can't really see, but now you'll see that that piece, this piece, is repaired and ready to go back in. But I'm going to tell you something that I don't think they tell you in these other videos. Regardless of whether you take this whole panel off and then you have to beat this right here and break these clips, you're going to break them. There's nothing else you can do. They're heat sink, like they're extended through, heated, and then smashed. So basically it's like a plastic rivet. So I'm going to come up with something that I can do from here, which you'll see in here. There's one right there. I tried to get it out. I had one out. I dropped it down here in the grass, so I wasn't able to show you. But regardless of whether you just remove this or take the whole door panel off and remove this piece, you're gonna break them. All right, I'll be back. All right, well, here we go. This is, yeah, don't look at the condition of the car. It's dirty. So there you go. I fixed it without removing the door panel. What I did was I pulled this off. Now those, you're gonna have to break those pieces. They're gonna break because they're like little plastic rivets. And but between this and this and this, which you can see was another repair I had to do, the door's fine. Everything's back in place. Yes, it's beat up, it's dirty, but so's the car and so am I. So if you found this video helpful, please, like, share, subscribe. Now, Like I said in the other videos, they're not going to tell you that those are going to break. And even if you buy this, just this, and pull the whole panel off by taking this off, compromising the integrity of the door for wind, water, snow, sleet, you're going to have to break the clips in here. They're going to break. So they must either sell you an aftermarket part, or you're going to have to come up with one yourself, or this right here is going to be the only thing holding that back on. So, all right. Have a great day.